Yes, financing tree removal in West Melbourne is possible, and it can help ease the burden of large or unexpected expenses. Removing a tree often involves certified professionals, heavy equipment, and careful planning, making the cost higher than many homeowners anticipate. Financing provides flexibility, ensuring urgent work is handled without compromising safety. Homeowners typically choose between three main options. Personal loans from banks or credit unions offer fixed monthly payments and predictable terms. Credit cards give quick access to funds, though higher interest makes them better for smaller jobs or balances that can be repaid quickly. Some tree service companies also provide in-house financing, including installment plans with little or no interest, which can reduce immediate financial pressure. Financing makes sense because delaying removal can put your home at risk of storm damage or falling branches. It also protects property value by keeping landscaping safe and appealing. In emergencies, financing ensures hazards are addressed without waiting for funds. Before committing, it's important to compare interest rates, repayment terms, and flexibility, such as early payoff options, and to ask about service guarantees. Many West Melbourne residents trust local companies like Planet Lawn and AMP Landscaping for safe, efficient, and customer-focused solutions.